Hi everyone! This takes just 3 minutes in the microwave, even on a busy morning. A high-protein, light and diet-friendly dish. Let's make this a soft tofu egg steamed bowl. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk well. Season with half tablespoon of tuna fish sauce or a little salt. Add half a pack of soft tofu. Add gently mash it into eggs. That's already almost done. This combo is packed with protein. To make it look extra delicious, add just a little chopped carrot and green onion. This is optional. Cover with a microwave safely and cook for 3 minutes. Microwave times may vary, add 30 seconds if needed. After 3 minutes, wow, look how fluffy it is. Let's take a bite. So mild, so soft, and so good. Super simple but surprisingly tasty. Perfect as a quick breakfast, a kid-friendly snack, and especially great when you are watching your diet. I hope you give it a try. Have a healthy and delicious day. Your like subscriptions mean so much to me. See you in the next video.